age. 5'1" and she measures 32, 26, and 32. From the city of General Santos, with both numbers C1574, representing Club Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for this Pt.1.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 1 is coming more PM from Club Asia. Following her, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, 21 years of age, 5'2" behind, and she measures 36. 24 and 34. She hails from the entire capital of the Philippines, Pampanga. With code number CP1268, representing Crystal Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Ms. Jane Johnson. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Thanks so much, contestant number 2, Ms. Jane Johnson from Crystal Palace. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, 21 years of age. 5'5" behind, and she measures 32, 25, and 35. From the city of Batangas. With a code number D1215, representing Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ms. Rosalie. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Thanks so much, contestant number 3, Rosalie from Philippines. Moving on to our next contestant. Contestant number 4, 21 years of age. She stands 5'5" in height, and she measures 34, 25, and 36. From the beautiful city of Cebu. With a code number DH1704, representing Palmhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for ladies and gentlemen, Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Kosa from the house. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, 23 years of age. 500 height and she measures 32, 24 and 34. From the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila. With a code number 81609, representing Continentes. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss May Ulanca. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 5 of May Ulanca from Philippines. Following her, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, 25 years of age. 500 height and she measures 32, 26 and 33. From the city of Calbayog. Critical number Pt.1 representing Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give it up for Miss Simon Berry. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Thanks so much, contestant number 6, Simon Berry from Philippines. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, 22 years of age. 500 height and she measures 32, 26 and 32. Also from the intercapital of the Philippines, Pampanga. With a code number 6626, representing Club Asia. Gentlemen, give it up for Miss Sally Cardoso. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Sally Cardoso from Club Asia. Moving on to our next contestant. Contestant number 8, 21 years of age. She stands 5'8" height with the vital statistics of 34, 24 and 34. She hails from the beautiful city of Davao with a code number 601055, representing Crystal Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Jennifer Villamorenta. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Pt.1. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 8, Jennifer Riambonanza from Crystal Palace. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9, 19 years of age, 5 over height, and she measures 32, 24, and 35. All the way from the wonderful province of Samar. With a code number T1178, representing Cubix. Ladies and gentlemen, have a huge round of applause for Miss Lisa of the house. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Pt.1. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 9, Risa Alaz from Cubix. Coming up on the center stage, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 10, 20 years of age. She stands 5'2" in height, and she has vital statistics of 32, 24, and 34. Also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila. With a code number DH1866, representing Clubhouse, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Miss Caesarina. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Pt.1.